Recently I've been having an issue with steamed up windscreen in my Civic, and also the blower generally smells a bit musty and things, especially when I run the aircon. So I'm wondering if it's the cabin filter when it's last been changed. So just going to change this today. Removing the filter is actually a pretty easy process. You just need to lower the glove box, press in at the sides here, just keep pressing in until it moves down. There's a couple of tabs at the side which you're just pushing past. The tabs at the side that you're pushing past are these, so just squeeze in the plastic until both of those release from behind this plastic here. This sort of leg attachment here, hook, keeps the glove box from falling all the way to the floor. So what you need to do now is just put your thumb in that indent there and push, and then just make sure that all of the items that you've got in the glove box fall onto the footwell. Now we've got access to the filter, which is in that oblong slot, and removing the filter itself could barely be easier. There's a couple of tabs at each side that you just need to push in and remove this cover. That's the filter, and airflow is downwards, so the filter's got arrows on it and the cover itself has got arrows on it as well. Sorry, not the cover there, it's just below the cover. It's got arrows going down, so make sure those arrows match up. This one says Honda, so maybe it's the original. The car's about 4 or 5 years old now, so it might be the original. Pull it out and behold the level of mank and leaves that you've got, and bees as well maybe. Look at that, that's disgusting. So that might well be the reason why my car smells musty when I turn on the blower, and it might be also providing a bit of condensation or not allowing it to be removed. I haven't got the spare filter right now. I just wanted to come out quickly and have a quick look at this, but refitting a new filter is reverse of removal, as Haynes says. So just fit it in, covers back on, and then clip the glove box back up. Thanks for watching.